Most of the people who come to my office complaining of shoulder problems point to the base of their neck or the top of their arm, and that's what they call a shoulder problem. However, one of the most common shoulder problems is generally located in the front of our bodies at each end of our collarbone. The collarbone is the bone which is most often fractured. When the fracture heals, few doctors pay attention to the joints that have suffered trauma at each end of the collarbone. Mainly, the joint that is close to our sternum, called the sternoclavicular joint, and also the joint that is close to our arm socket. The best way to find out if these joints have issues is by evaluating the range of motion of the shoulder. To check the range of motion, raise your arm away from your body. This movement is known as abduction. If you cannot raise your arm above your head, there is a loss in the range of motion and the joint has problems. Here are other ways to check for trauma. Number 1, compare arms. Raise both arms away from the body. If one doesn't raise quite as high as the other, you know you have an issue. Number 2, compare the movement of the sternoclavicular joints. Again, raise your arms and notice the movement on both sides. If they're not moving in the same way, one side may be restricted. Number 3, the sternoclavicular joints should be at the same level. If you cannot spot any abnormalities while looking in a mirror, chances are the joints are level. Number 4, there may be pain close to the sternum. Number 5, there may be tenderness in the area of the sternoclavicular joints. If you are suffering from any of these symptoms, call your chiropractor. He or she is educated in manipulating these joints. The manipulation of the sternoclavicular joint or the socket joint is not like the adjustment of the spine. There may be no cracking or popping sounds because the adjustment is more sophisticated and delicate. In our office, we use an instrument to adjust this joint, which is softer and more precise. If you are in the Porter Ranch, Northridge, California area, call us today for a free chiropractic exam. 818-831-0100.